We could be losing significant amounts of revenue if customers take advantage of the discounts on the products on sale and bundle them with the coupons we have available in WooCommerce. Ideally, to maintain the financial health of our online store, only one discount per transaction should be used. Therefore, we are going to exclude sale items from being purchased using coupons. We will do this with the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you manage and edit hundreds of coupons in seconds through its powerful bulk editing tool. You can find the link for you to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. You can decide to exclude the sale items from coupons individually from the spreadsheet. To do this, look for the Exclude Sale Items column and tick the checkboxes on the coupons you want. Then simply click on Save to apply your changes. The other option is to exclude the sale items in bulk, but first, we want to show you that you have the option to filter them. To do this, open the Search Edit tool, and here you will have a lot of options to filter your coupons. You can do it by keyword or using the advanced filters. In this case, I will look for all coupons whose discount rate is a percentage. For this, let's select discount type as the field. Leave equal as the operator and enter percentage discount here. Lastly, run the search and the results will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now, to exclude the sale items from all coupons, we'll use the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the results from our search. Then, choose the field Exclude Sale Items. Select Set Value as the edit type. Tick this checkbox. And execute to exclude the sale items from being purchased using any of the selected coupons. With the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin, you no longer have to worry about your customers using double discount and generating losses to your business. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.